Snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas when everyone's around to share this holiday.
So we have to run some errands this morning. This is my outfit, aka my pajama look. I literally wore this to bed. But guys, see, throwing this over with a beanie looks like a real outfit. I also want to stop by like my family house, like my mom's, and grab the garland so I can actually put it up here. This is what we have so far. So I got these bells, as you guys know, and then these little Nomi mans. This is gonna look so much better once there's green. I only have enough bells for this part of the railing, but I think it's gonna be fine because I have other things that can go here. This is looking pretty cool. We're gonna grab some stuff for the installation I'm putting up here. We're kind of getting used to this living room configuration. I think it's actually like not so bad. Like honestly, it's the best way we could do it. I've talked about it. I'm a broken record. Let's just go to the dollar store and see what decor we could find there. There's actually really good stuff at the dollar store this year for decorations. This would be like, look how cute those are. Those are really cute. Like you would see those at Target. And look at these sequin hats. Oh, look at the train conductors. Those are new. These could actually be cute. They kind of like, you can make them V to V like if you just put some glitter and stuff. Like these are cute too. Like these could be really adorable. I would think their faux flowers are actually cute this year. Oh my god, they have garland. Wait, these are nice. That's like actually nice. $4. Like really not bad. Do they have plain wreaths? Like, don't these look just like the ones at Michael's? Like, honestly, these look literally like the ones at Michael's. I actually really like these, so we're gonna grab 2 more of these. Or should we grab these ones? These are pretty nice too. Sorry. This stuff is literally at Michael's. We saw it yesterday. No, I'll get 3. They're so cheap. Like, if we can't find it again, it'll be sad. Spent about $53 on like 8 things of garland and 3 wreaths, and with little elbow grease we're gonna make it look really, really cute, and like a lot like V to V is the hope, but on a budget.
We'll see what happens.
Yeah. This outfit is just not working. Like, do I watch football? No. So we came back from the dollar store and I'm gonna dismantle everything on the garland and then put up the garland because that's what we're gonna do. So this is just me dismantling like my placeholder garland, and then I unpacked all this faux garland that I've had for years that's been at my mom's. I used to set it up every single year and they're not using it this year, so I took it. So definitely saved me a lot of cost. You can get this at Michael's, but I was really unhappy with how this was turning out. It just didn't look, I mean, obviously I know it's not natural or real garland, but it just felt very contrived to me, so I enlisted the help of my mom later. So what you're seeing here is me attempting to make this work with the knowledge that I know that I was going to redo it later. I was just really not happy with it. I just didn't like the way it looked. So yes, that's what moms are for. She came to the rescue. Mommy, what are you doing?
Doing my first garland.
Doesn't look like your first, that's for sure.
So much fun.
My mom finished the wreath, the garland over there. There's only 3? Where's the 4th still?
4, there's 4.
I don't know.
3 is in the top corner, 4th is
I
just
see it.
slightly down.
Okay. This garland's so pretty. Oh, it looks so good. I'll do a full holiday home tour in one of the videos, but the house is looking amazing. So we went to Home Depot, and because I'm trying to do this floating installation, it does need some work. So we purchased these wooden dowels at the hardware store. And as you can see with my pointing stick, I bought some real garland. So I'm gonna have that droop also on this thing. But first order of business, Dylan is gonna cut this down for me. This project is so easy, and I'll elaborate on this a little bit more in my holiday house tour where I go into detail about this stuff. That's up tomorrow if you guys are watching this in real time. But it was a super easy project. I did it with both real and faux garland, and I think the whole project cost me maybe $25, so not too shabby. This is really good. You can pretty much get most of the stuff at the dollar store too. I just decided to go to Home Depot for it, but this is us hanging it. I'm so happy with how this turned out. Then this is just the garland up close. Obsessed. Okay guys, we're switching gears now to a cozy nighttime cleaning routine. This is just me kind of picking up and tidying up for a good day tomorrow. I like to set myself up for good days. I hate when I wake up and everything is just in chaos from the night before because I didn't clean the night before. Again, it's a process, especially when you're in a house. We used to be in an apartment. It was a lot easier to clean up. But yeah, this is how we kind of turn down. This takes me about an hour to do. I put a load of laundry in, and this is just me folding some clean laundry as well. One key for laundry always is to put the laundry away right after you fold it, because if you don't, you will never put it away. It will sit in a basket and you will fish through it every single day for new clothes, socks, whatever. Put it away right away. Seriously, guys, life-changing hack, but not really a hack. It's something like my mom always used to tell me. But yeah, that's me doing just what I'm saying, putting it all away.
Christmas Day.
Then we're going to move on to the bathroom. The bathroom definitely needed a little bit of a refresh. I usually clean the toilet, wipe down everything, do a good scrub of the bathtub once a week. However, another great thing is we're so lucky we have someone that comes in, does a super deep clean every so often as well. So that way it's not all on me. The bathroom is usually my chore, but this time around we're just doing a little tidy, just a small little refresh because I had a bit of extra time. So I'm just Windexing, wiping things down like the toilet seat and whatnot. And then I also took another cloth and just with a vinegar and water solution, I just sprayed down my bathtub and gave it a quick wipe as well. Super, super important, especially if you use purple shampoo and stuff like that, like I do. I like to kind of maintain my bathtub in between deep cleans, you know? And then we have us folding the towels. I like to replace the towels at least once a week, as well as the bath mats and the hand towels. One key for good skin, guys, is to replace your towels. Especially if you have guests over too. I like to replace the towels right away after I have guests over. It's just something we always do. And then that was our little bathroom refresh. It literally took me maybe 10 minutes. Again, it's not a big bathroom, so yeah, it takes me no time, but it makes me so happy to see a clean bathroom. Entryway is something that always gets messy because we're just plopping our stuff down, we're grabbing and going. This is me just kind of picking up, tidying up, you know the deal. I have so many shoes and like just mail and just like random stuff in the front, and I definitely need to still put away my summer shoes that I won't be using for at least a few months, so those definitely all need to be packed up another day. Lastly is the living room pickup, which is basically just me straightening everything out. This is definitely one of our most used rooms, if not the most used room in the house. We just lounge here. I work here a lot of the time. We watch TV, we watch movies. Sometimes we eat here. Toledo loves it here. But I'm still getting used to this new living room arrangement. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, there was no other way to kind of accommodate the tree, but this seems a lot more practical than any other configuration we tried to do. You can see that in a few videos ago when we tried to reconfigure it all. But yeah, I'm sitting here right now. It's pretty comfy. Also, those Barefoot Dreams blankets are amazing. So worth it. If you're thinking about them, get one. It's amazing. If you live in your house, of course it gets messy, guys. Our house gets messy all the time, but it's really just about maintaining. And if you do a little bit every night, like how I'm doing right here, honestly, it's really not so bad. But yeah, this is how it looks. We're lighting a candle to finish the night because it is cozy vibes. And then I'm also lighting up my fireplace with these votives. Just set some mood, you know what I mean?
that's the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys tomorrow in the next one.